Since the dawn of time, humanity has carved marks into stone to claim possession and order the world. From bamboo slips of ancient merchants to wax seals on heavy trading ships, the need to identify has always been primal. We see handwritten ledgers of old, where every digit was a labor of human patience and silent memory. In a moment of genius, Norman Joseph Woodland sketched the very first barcode in the sand, inspired by Morse code and the rhythm of the waves. From glowing vacuum tubes to the historic first scan of a gum pack in 1974, a red beam began to dance across black and white lines, transforming a simple pattern into a universal language of trade. Contrast the chaos of an unorganized warehouse with the absolute order of a digital system. A single drop of water on a prism scatters the light, revealing the physics of the spectrum. Digital blueprints of focusing lenses now glow on our screens as blue lasers sweep over a virtual coordinate grid to map the future of recognition. Matte black resin beads flow into the line as our modern factory awakens under the first light of dawn. The heavy steel doors swing open, revealing a world of industrial precision. Robots begin their synchronized dance, marking the start of a production journey to craft the mechanical eyes that will soon watch over the global flow of goods. High-impact abs beads melt within massive injection molders, forming the iconic silhouette of the handheld scanner. Robotic arms pluck the warm shells from their steel birthplace as lasers trim every edge with surgical accuracy. A soft TPU layer is sprayed onto the grip, providing a secure and comfortable bond between man and machine. Transparent polycarbonate is molded into protective windows, while internal metal skeletons are fitted to endure the shocks of a busy workplace. We test the structural integrity under heavy pressure and verify the rhythmic snap of the trigger through 100 cycles. Every movement is a promise of durability, ensuring the scanner remains a steadfast tool in any hand. Charging bases for our wireless models are assembled before the shells move through an ionized air bath for total purity. Technical symbols are etched by laser as silicone gaskets are seated into every joint. The scan window is fitted with absolute tightness, creating a fortress that shields the delicate optical heart from the dust and rain of the world. Finished shells line up like a silent army, reflecting the bright industrial glow of our modern workshop. Every battery cover is checked for a perfect fit, ensuring the internal energy remains secure. This clean and rhythmic environment marks the completion of the exterior, now waiting for the brilliant light of the laser to be nested within. Tiny laser diodes are plucked by vacuum grips as robots align focusing lenses into the heart of the engine. CNC-turned polygon mirrors shimmer like diamonds, soon to be spun at incredible speeds by microscopic motors. We test the first red beam as it carves a vibrant line through the air, while CCD sensors are placed at the exact focal point of the receiving lens. Collimated beams align the mirrors with surgical precision before light filters are added to block out the noise of the room. We verify the focus on simulated surfaces, searching for total clarity. Protective chambers are sealed against dust as robots apply specialized adhesives, ensuring that even a faded or scratched barcode can still surrender its secrets to the light. A thin mist reveals the path of the beam as it sweeps across complex 2D patterns. Sunlight catches the shimmer of the internal glass as the optical engine is bolted into the main frame. We measure the vibration of the rotating mirrors, ensuring that every movement is silent and steady, representing the peak of industrial physics and precision. The connection between the emitter and the sensor is finalized, a masterpiece of electronic harmony. Every finished scan engine receives its own digital identity, marking the convergence of light and matter. This is the birth of the machine's vision, ready to translate the physical world into the language of the digital. Era. 4-layer PCBs travel through high-speed SMT lines where decoder chips are placed with surgical accuracy. Infrared lasers weld every contact point, while wireless modules are added for global connectivity. Smart firmware is flashed into the memory, containing the algorithms needed to heal broken data and recognize a world of diverse patterns. High-capacity lithium cells are nested into their bays as hair-thin wires link the optical heart to the main board. We witness the speed of the decoder as numbers race across the test screen. A piezo speaker is installed to provide the signature beep of success, while smart power-saving modes are verified to ensure a lifetime of service. Haptic vibration modules are added for noisy environments as capacitors filter out the noise of the power supply. Status LEDs flicker to life, signaling the startup of the digital soul. A protective gel coating is applied to the electronics, shielding them from moisture and the harsh dust of industry. The data processing system is now complete and ready for action. Robots gently nest the motherboards into the handheld shells as automated screwdrivers lock the frame together with perfect torque. USB cables are fitted into the base, tested for their strength through thousands of cycles. The scanner enters the drop chamber, falling from heights onto concrete to prove its structural and mechanical defiance. Every impact is followed by a test of function as the machine endures the trials of a climate-controlled lab. Ice. Thousands of barcodes are scanned automatically on a test conveyor, verifying total speed and accuracy. After a robotic wipe with anti-static solutions, laser-etched serial numbers are applied, marking the device's final legacy in our factory. Robots lift the finished units into recycled protective cartons alongside their cables and guides. Thermal glue seals the boxes as the conveyor moves the pallets into our modern warehouse. A sea of shining lights marks the completion of a production cycle where these mechanical eyes stand ready to depart for their mission in the world of trade. Digital graphics reveal the flow of information as simple lines transform into vital knowledge. Tomorrow's scanners will use AI to recognize objects without any marks at all. Sunlight shines through the lens, a symbol of clarity in a complex world. We build for the understanding that every scan is a bridge between the physical and the digital, linking humanity through the air. Biodegradable materials form our future shells as a single red laser glides across a shimmering surface. The factory falls into a peaceful night mode, where green energy powers the rhythmic dance of the robots. We see the reflection of the digital world on the scan window, a testament to our pursuit of speed and accuracy for the modern era. Precision returns time to our lives, turning every black and white line into a door of knowledge. From 3D blueprints to a tangible reality, our design stands as a work of technical art. A final laser sweep and a soft beat past the lens, signaling the end of the journey. We are not just building tools, we are crafting the heartbeat of the modern economy. The factory fades into the blue light of the future, coding with precision, connecting the world. This is the eye of the future. This is the promise of a world without limits.